Hello and welcome back to tksbar. I'm your host Tessa, and today we're going to be making a witch's brew. So welcome back. This is episode 2 of our Halloween series. Today I'm a cat. You probably have this outfit, your sister probably has this outfit, everyone has a cat outfit, but I had to include it because this is my outfit from last year and the year before. So our witch's brew today, it's practically a Midori sour, except we're excluding a couple things and then we're garnishing it up a little bit different than you would a regular Midori sour. And the other thing is that with a Midori sour, you normally have Midori, which is a melon liqueur. Unfortunately, I couldn't get my hands on that, but I did get my hands on Bols melon, which is practically the same thing. So we're using a melon liqueur today. If you can get your hands on Midori, I would strongly suggest it. If you can't, then that's okay. First, we're gonna go over our ingredients. We've got, like I just mentioned, our Bols melon, our melon liqueur. We've got our fresh squeezed lemon juice here. We've got a brand new batch of simple syrup. And then we're gonna be using an egg white. Also, to garnish, I've got some little melon balls here. So let's get straight into mixing our drink. First, we're gonna grab our shaker and we're gonna put all our ingredients in. We're gonna start off with 1 ounce of our melon liqueur. Also, if you smell this, it smells exactly like Melonas. I'll put a picture here if you know what they are, but they're so good, and they're like melon flavored popsicles basically, or like creamy popsicles. But this smells exactly the same, and this drink is gonna taste almost exactly the same as one of those. So get excited. Next, we're gonna do a full ounce of our lemon juice, and then a full ounce of our simple syrup. Then last, we're just gonna put in our egg white. Perfect. Now, because we've got our egg white in here, we have to dry shake it. So we're gonna do that first, and then we're gonna throw some ice in and wet shake it, or just shake it with ice. And shake again. Then into our coupe glass, we're just gonna strain this in. But first, we wanna put some of our little melon balls in here to act as little eyeballs in our witch's brew, or maybe it's a witch's stew, I don't know. Last thing we're gonna do to garnish this, which I'm a little scared for because I haven't done this yet, so hopefully I can do it the way I want it to. We're gonna make a little spider web with some green food coloring. Wish me luck here. I'll explain what I'm doing first. I'm gonna put 5 little dots of food coloring on the outside, and then just with a little skewer thing, I'm gonna move them around. But I'll do that right now. Now, was that the best technique? No, but I kind of got a spider web in the end, so that's all that matters. So let's give it a taste. So this is definitely a sweet cocktail, but it is so good. Oh my goodness. The melon liqueur kind of gives it that Melona flavor, and if you like Melonas, it was a really good drink to try. Because it's just a liqueur in here and not an actual like high proof spirit, this is gonna have a lower alcohol content, but I think that it's a really, really good drink, and it tastes sweet, it tastes like melons, it's really good, and those little balls floating around are kind of cool. If you want a little melon moment, this is definitely the cocktail for you, and you should try it. So other than that, if you like me and you like this channel, I would love it if you gave me a like on this video and subscribe down below, and you can hit the bell if you want. If you try this at home, which you definitely should, you should definitely leave some feedback in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this drink. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!